Hello, welcome back to another Epic Cheese Boy video. Today we're gonna do Grand Tear Auto. It's like, you know what, but tear down, less violent, and less realistic, and less everything. I got a skateboard. I won't be using it because I don't know how to get out of it, and that sucks. But anyways, let's explore and a bunch of stuff. There's music. No wait, no. Damn. Don't hit the people. Or do. Okay. Are there cops in this game? Thing. Yeah, this is how you drive. Okay. I got stuff like later. What the? Thought I heard a helicopter. Is there a helicopter in this game? Shut your dirty little mouth. Come back. And oh, I can confirm there are police in the game. And I will get you. Die! Just a bop on the head. Come on. Shotgun. 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 Sniper. Ah! Oh my god, there's so much chaos. Come on! Okay, that's it. Ah! Oh my god! Okay, is that it? I think I got them. Okay. Any others are coming? I've got my eye on them. I'll go now.
We've got a 415 on Grove Street in Davis. Members of the ballers.
Okay, here they come. There's one. There's two. There's another guy behind that tree. Show yourself. Okay, I guess not. Hello? Is that it? Did I beat the game? I think I beat the game. Hello? Are you good? Whoa! There's a helicopter! I was right. No. Okay, one more try, and then I'm gonna show you my secret weapon. Well, I won't die. So, yeah, stay tuned. So, to get the police, we gotta bop someone on the head, like this guy. Bop. There we go. Come here! Put the money in the bag! Good enough. Here's a lighter. A shotgun. Pistol. For you! Here's the pistol! And I'll snipe the other guy. The other guy. Please. There's a policeman.
We've got a 415 on Grove Street.
Please.
Members of the Ballers gang involved.
Die.
Authorized.
No. Did you try to shoot me? Did you try to shoot me? No. Yep. Are you good? Okay, now I'm more. Where are you? I think I got them all. Celebrate good time. Okay. Come on, get me. Did I win? Now, come here! Oh my God, they were flying! I got in there. Headphone warning too.
Mission row.
We're heading over now.
Oh, really? Okay.
Copy that.
Yeah. Did you just kill yourself? Okay. I think that's it. Take this car out. Okay, what motor's running? No motor's running. What the? Is it you? Are you trying to kill me? Are you trying to kill me? Are you really trying to kill me? Yeah. What do I have? Atomizer? I got an atomizer. Nice. So it just destroys anything. Wow. Okay. I could work with this. Come here. Does that count as a kill? Yes, it does. Come here! Not. Whoa! Hey, come here!
We're heading over now.
Oh my God, that was big. Come here! No! Come here! We're fighting in the air. No! Come here! No! I'm so lucky. No! I will kill you! This is the last thing I do! No. Okay, that's it. I've had enough. It's time for the secret weapon, aka the explosive mech. You'll see. No. Explosive punch. What? Oh. What the heck? Okay, so if you touch it, it explodes? I'm so confused. Huh? I thought it was a mech. Did they just rip me off? Don't tell me. No. So I guess if you touch it, you get destroyed. Or not. I'm so... Bow! I guess we won't be using that. I got ripped off. Okay, so the rip-off may be really sad. So I don't know. Do something about it. I have a paint bomb though. That's cool. I can make art. Okay, time to guess what I made. What is that? It's a smiley face. Well, not really. Here's a smile. Yay, now it's a smile. Hey! He's happy. It's time to bomb this car with paint. Yay! Yellow! I'm yellow! I'm yellow, yellow, yellow. Wait, it hurts me. Are you yellow? Oh my goodness. That is the new style. That is nice. Look at this. It's a minion car. Where are you, police? Did I get that person? Here, come here. Come here. Okay, there we go. Come here! Come here! Where's the police? No! I will spare you. Stop shooting. You know you're gonna die. Yeah, like... Oh, what's that? Here, you go explore it. Okay, I sent him there. Hello, police car. It's like playing with toy cars. Policeman, take the car! Take your small little cop car. What is this? You're still alive! No! Oh my god, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. That's it. Just eat the whole thing. I don't care, aliens. Okay, it's the alien shop, bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, aliens. See ya. Die! Okay. Is that all the... Oh. Uh-oh. Hey, who's shooting me? Who just shot me? No. You will never exist. You don't exist. No, no. Only the bullets exist, but you will never exist. Okay, oh my god. Okay, I gotta kill all the cops before the whole entire city gets dissolved. Oh my god!
You've been ready, sir.
He just got obliterated. Did you see that? Okay, I don't think this is working. Well, I have a jetpack. Lasers! 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 What? Where am I getting shot? Who's shooting me? You guys are shooting me? You know what I think about that?
You've been ready, sir.
You guys are not allowed to. Yep. Okay, so yeah, this is a catastrophe. What else is there to do? Did I destroy everything? More cops! More cops! Oh, more cops! More video! More video!
Officer 503 outside of Gideon Stacks. Suspect is fleeing.
You've been at 100%.
Come here! Get obliterated! Oh my god! Oh my god. What's the thickest building here? Oh, I can go through that. Okay. will the Iron Man thing go straight through this building?
Unibeam charged, sir.
Go! Oh my god! Did it go through? Oh no, might have. No! 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 Okay, here it comes.
We've got a fourth attention on Grove Street in Davis. We've got an officer of the Ballers gang involved. Gunfire reported in, Mission Row. Copy that.
Oh my god, this is the ultimate weapon. It just obliterates everything. Where is this coming from? What? Oh, you think you can... Yeah, that's what I thought. No, 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 no. And zap. Oh my god, these little worm things are gonna destroy the whole entire universe. What else is there? There's you. Hey, 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 no, 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 no. I will not tolerate your behavior. Any more? Anyone else brave enough to stand up against me? Huh? 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 You car? Huh? No? This siren? Could it go against me? No? Well, I think I destroyed the whole entire thing. I'm just sitting here. Do you give up? This video will end if you give up. You give up? Yes or no? Yes or no? Say something. It looks like he's going kind of left and right. That's a no. You're mean. I wanted this video to be longer, but oh well. It was your choice. So yeah. Okay. So that's gonna do it for this epic cheese boy video. Excuse me? Excuse me! Excuse me. Oh, is this that non-existing cop? No, no, no. Video's over. I said the video's over, okay? So, no, go away. Okay, video's over. Bye, no, bye. Bye. You know what? Let's end the with a big boom. Big boom. Big Kamehameha. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, bye.